Good morning, friends. This is Nifty Analysis for the day 6th of April 2022. This is the intraday chart that we have been following. Just the bigger picture has been converted into the 30 minutes time frame. So on Monday, we had seen a sharp move on the upside, followed by the merger news of HDFC Bank and HDFC. So with that particular sentimental upside, the upside targets of 1800, 100, 18,100 has been completed. That was on the upper side. So once that target has been done, now it is at a very crucial level whether it's going to be breakout on the upside or the breakdown of this particular entire shift towards the downside. So this was the maximum that we were looking for on the upside with regards to the current pattern that is unfolding. So if you were to look at the entire picture right from 18,600, that is the start of the bear market, you will understand that there had been two sharp pullbacks that has happened in the market. So if we were to consider this as the parallel channel, the prices have almost been into this particular channel. Now we are looking for a breakdown or the breakout of this particular channel completely. Now, given the current situation in the STX as of now, it is indicating for a very mild to that of a weak start towards the day. So if you were to break down this particular this support line, probably say around 17,850, levels on the closing basis, then we are going to have the next round of selling coming in for this particular months ahead. Now, uh, for the risky people, can keep a stop loss at 18,100 on the closing basis and can drive on the short side. Okay, once we get a closing basis breakdown, then we are going to witness heavy selling. The only problem with this particular entire move is that everyone is anticipating a sharp fall and everyone is looking for a breakdown of this particular pattern. So that we need to be very careful on. That is the reason why we have moved this particular trade into a risky category where 18,100 on the closing basis is going to be the stop loss for this particular breakdown of this particular pattern, right? So if we were to look at the similar picture to that of Bank Nifty yet again it has completed its highest target on the upside around 38,600 to that of 38,800. That was completed on Monday's move. The entire HDFC saga proves to be a futile attempt given the consideration that there are so many regulatory barriers, so many approvals, and so many formalities to be completed. So it is a long process, and the one-day move is not justified as yet. So if you were to look down this particular chart, you can understand last time it was a much slower on the upside, and it had take so much of time to consolidate at the top angle, and then we had finally had a breakdown, right? So we are expecting a kind of move wherein, as I told in the last video, that we still have time with regards to the Bank Nifty is concerned. So we will not be surprised to see that the Bank Nifty moves sideways more before giving a breakdown in this particular chart. Unlike the Nifty where the moves are going to be very sharp. Though if anyone wants to take a risky sell on the downside, then the stop loss is around 39,000 on the closing basis for this particular chart. Though there are high chances that we will be taking out 39,000 once again, given the consideration that this kind of pattern was visible last time. Okay, so if you were to wait for the breakdown, then it is much better with regards to the Bank Nifty trade is concerned, rather than taking a shot in Nifty, where the chances for the breakdown or the breakup of this particular thing is ideally by tomorrow. With regards to Bank Nifty, it's going to take another few more sessions, like ideally next Tuesday or Thursday is when we are going to have a channel breakdown or the breakout of this particular channel. If we are lucky, we will be seeing a breakdown in the next two sessions, but that is highly unlikely. As I said, that's been moving sideways most of the time before giving a breakdown. This is what we have been witnessing with regards to the Bank Nifty is concerned. So yeah, this is it for this particular day. There are high chances that we are going to get a breakout or breakdown in the next one or two sessions. And for the risky traders, it's a short with the stop loss at 18,100, and we will drive it on the downside. So this is it. Thank you for watching this particular video. Stay connected. If something is there, we will let you know. Thank you so much for watching this video.